Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, August 28th, 2001, 8 am. One must be able to open the right door at the right time and then to plunge into oneself with delight. This refuge must be unique for you. Here, worldly torments are removed. There exists nothing else anymore but the divinity and you. In this unique face to face, you find again your real self, divested of your human being's childish sides. In this protected place, your true personality emerges. This time of grace and rest restores your strength to let you cope with life. Would you henceforth give up visiting this blessed place, continuing your search and rising a little further every day? When this process is underway, it is not easy to give up. Why would you renounce? Who could prevent you? This step is undertaken in the depths of your heart, in the secrecy of God, protecting His creature from the curiosity of its fellow creatures. This special bond is a bilateral business between Him and you, and nobody can leave it on your behalf or remove it from you. Take great care of this treasure, which does not require any safe in a bank. This jewel is priceless in the eyes of men. God alone can value it. Babuji Maharaj. Wednesday, August 29th, 2001, 8 am. The body is unceasingly subjected to external pressures, whether they are climatic, vibratory, or due to ambient pollution. It continuously feels these strains. There are not many ways of countering this situation. The beneficial effects of your sadhana are appreciable in terms of helping you to keep your balance. Man of this time lives under unfavorable conditions for his physical and mental health. Your spiritual process is an important solution. It allows you to keep peace inside you, which helps you to progress in spite of aberrant living conditions. Man adapts as best he can, rather badly. As pollution is worsening, he will more and more have to face new diseases not easily identifiable. His nature will even have to change, mutate in some way, to allow him to adapt better. Profit being the only rule here below, he will have no alternative. You are not fully aware of the monstrosity of this situation. Maybe it is better this way. What can you do individually? The time bomb has been set in motion. It will have to explode, inevitably. Babuji Maharaj.